Do you know how to use Valvoline White Grease? Why it's important, how to do it, what to look for? My name is Dayan and I have the answers. Valvoline White Grease is an easy-to-use, long-lasting lubricant that is moisture and heat resistant. The calcium-lithium formulation is easy to apply and protects moving parts from corrosion. Shake the can well before using. Apply only to clean, dry parts and avoid over-application. Valvoline White Grease can be used to lubricate door hinges, door locks and catches, the bonnet hinges and bonnet stay, fuel flap hinges and lock pin, and on battery terminals to prevent corrosion and scale. Cogs, pedals, bearings, catches, gear wheels, chains, and other moving parts may also be treated with white grease to provide lubrication and protection against corrosion. Valvoline White Grease is resistant to high pressure and temperatures up to 160 degrees Celsius.